AI search is fast, but is it giving you the best answers? Google's new deep research features take things to the next level. It's analyzing tons of sources before showing results. In this video, I will break it down, how it works, what makes it different, why it's worth the wait, and it's completely free. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's see today Google Gemini, but with deep research. So if you're not aware of deep research, it's a new method to make research and get information, but it's not work like the normal search we do with AI tools. It's make it much more deep and take a lot of time to finish the task. So I mean, if in normal AI tool like ChatGPT with the search or Google Gemini with the search, it can take 25 seconds to finish the task. Here with deep research, it can take 5 to 10 and maybe 15 and more minutes to finish the task, because it search in the internet so many data and then read it and summarize it to us. So let's see how it looks. I'm here in Google Gemini. You can see here the deep research button. I click on that and now I activate it. Once it's activated, let's make a test and give the deep research to make a task for us. I give it a task here. Write me a guide on how to write good UX writing in an app. I execute it now and let's see how it's work. So I click here on submit. So now as you can see here, it's make a guideline on how to make the search. It's explain us every step it will do, like define UX writing, explain the importance of user experience and usability, research the core principles of effective UX writing, and as you can see here, 8 points. Now, if you want, you can edit the plan or to start research. In that case, for this demonstration, let's start research to see how it's work. I click on start research and you can see here the process. So it start to analyze a lot of data and at the end it will summarize it to us. So you can see here how much data it will read now and start to write the guide for us. The hour now it's 8:59. Let's see when it will finish. And just let you know in the meantime it's work that you can use it as a free user of Google Gemini. You don't need to pay for the tool. It will give you some deep research every month. It's not exactly explain how many deep research you will get, but people say that it's between 5 and 10 every month. So that's more as the number. And basically because it's very deep research and you need it to make something big more than smaller research, probably you will not use it every day, maybe once a week. So 5 to 10 times a month to use it. For me, I think it's enough. But if you need more deep research, you can subscribe to Gemini and get more deep research every month. In the meantime, you can see how much data it's read to write as a guide for UX writing. Look how many websites it's read. So many. You can see it here. And you can see here in how many websites it searched. 143 websites. This is a lot of data that Gemini needs to read and calculate for us, but I think you can understand from it what is the difference between deep research and normal research with AI. It is finished. It took to it 8 minutes to finish all the tasks. It's calculate much more information. At the end, we have something more solid. So you can see here all the data it's creates for us. And below you can see all the websites that it's analyzed to create us this guide. Look how many websites. Also, you can click here and go to these websites. Be aware that you can copy all the information or export to docs. So it's very easy. Instead of copy and paste and all this stuff, you just need to click export to docs and it will create a file on Google Docs with all the information. Also, you can do it to compare between different competitors of your product to see what they offer, what they don't offer. So it can help you in that way. Also, if you want to start something that you don't know and you don't want to start to search on Google, of course, or go and ask simple search in AI tool like a Perplexity or in ChatGPT, or also in Gemini, you want something more solid, you can use it. And the most important is it's free also for people that not in the paid plan of Google Gemini. So that is this short tutorial about deep research. Give it a shot, because if you use ChatGPT to make search and you want something more solid, this will be the option to you. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for a product designer to level up your business, or you're curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have got. See you in the next one. Take care.